How to fix you need to authenticate to Microsoft servers. So if you want to fix you need to authenticate to Microsoft servers, then what you need to do is first, if you're trying to play between a console and your PC, then you might get this kind of error, which is you need to authenticate to Microsoft servers. So the very first step is just open up your Microsoft Store by typing Microsoft Store on your search and then just click on it. After opening your Microsoft Store, you just need simply re-log in to your store so that it can re-authenticate. So click on your username, which will be in the top right, and click on sign out, which will be in the bottom right here. After signing out, you need to again go back and then re-logging into your account. Then close your Microsoft Store and open up your Microsoft Store again, and then re-log in. Now this will re-authenticate and it might fix your issue. If this issue is not fixed by doing this, then you need to move on to the second method. So the next can be due to issues between date and time desynchronization. So if you are on your console or your PC, and if your host is on your console, what you need to do is sync time. Press your Windows key and then type date and time. Click on date and time settings. Now here you will have additional settings option and you will have sync now under additional settings. So you just need to simply go with sync now, which will be on the right side. And as you can see that it has successfully synced, and the last successful time synchronization was this date. You'll be able to play Minecraft now, or the last method is to install a different launcher, which is a legacy launcher, which might help you to open your Minecraft. So go and download it, and that's it. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.